The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McDonald County, southern Newton County until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anderson and moving east at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Anderson, Fairview, Goodman, Powell, Rocky Comfort, and Stellet. This warning also includes Big Sugar Creek State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
The current time